The purpose of this video is to learn about citing two types of websites in MLA style. One will be a news site with a named author, and the other will be a website without an author. MLA has a specific citation structure where you put the different parts of the citation. Typically, for a website, you would include the author, title of source, title of container, the publisher, the publication date, and the location. An MLA Works Cited page is at the end of your paper, double-spaced, with a hanging indent in 12-point font. The word Works Cited is centered and not bolded at the top of the page. The first work we're going to cite is a news story with a named author. MLA author names are last name first, followed by a comma, then first name and middle initial. If you have multiple authors, see our MLA LibGuide to see how you would format that. The next element is the title of the source in quotation marks. In MLA, you capitalize all important words in a title, so the small words like a and the that don't start a title are in lowercase. The next part of the citation is the title of the container, which is a fancy way of saying the title of the website. You will usually find this at the top of the page. You might also see it as part of the URL. The title of a website should be in italics. In this case, the title of the website is Your Erie. Typically, a website won't have those other parts here, so we're going to jump down to publisher. If the publisher is the same as the container name, you would not list them twice and skip it. The publisher of a website can often be found at the bottom of a page. In this case, the publisher is Nexstar Media Group. You put that down here and then follow it by a comma, then the date. Dates are formatted day, month, year. The month will be abbreviated if the name of the month is longer than 4 letters. After the year will be a comma, then the location, which is the URL. In MLA, you do not include http:// in your URL. Now we have our completed citation. We have the author period, the title period, the title of the container, which is the name of the website, followed by a comma, the publisher, comma, date of publication, comma, the URL, and ending with a period. For a website without a listed author, it's a little different. In this case, you won't include the author element because, according to MLA, when a work is written by a group or organization that is also its publisher, begin the citation with the title and skip the author element. Here's an example. The title of this website is Fact Sheet Number 28, the Family and Medical Leave Act. Next, we'll need the name of the page or container, as MLA calls it, that this fact sheet is located, and that's going to be Wage and Hour Division in italics, followed by a comma. Then the name of the publisher, which is listed here as the U.S. Department of Labor. That's going to have a comma after it, and then the publication date, which is going to be MAR period 2025, then a comma, then the URL, again without the HTTP. Remember that citation generators and AI-generated citations frequently have errors, so check your MLA citations against MLA guidelines. If you have any questions, feel free to email the library at library@ec3pa.org. Thank you.